Hey, what's up guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today's project will be tack welding this roll cage. So what we're gonna do is strip the paint off of these joints right here, like I'm doing right here, and like I've done right here. That way we could tack weld this together. After we tack weld all this together, we're gonna drop it off to my sandblaster, and he's gonna sandblast all this so we could powder coat it or spray paint it. So let's get started. So up next, we're gonna take these hard lines out. I went ahead and grinded it off the camera, and the grinder left these real harsh lines that make it not round. But we're gonna take the DA with the 180 grit pad, and that should clean up the hard lines. I'm gonna continue to do this off camera, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. You can see this side, there's no more hard lines, and it's clean. Versus this, you can see all those hard lines. And you can see the hard lines in here. This side is clean. Yo, what's up guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today we're gonna be working on a Civic. We'll be working on the roll cage, so the first thing we'll be doing today is taking out the driver's seat. There is no passenger seat or any other seats in the car. So we'll go ahead and remove the driver's seat. After we remove the driver's seat, we'll pull out the carpet. Once the carpet's removed, we'll take the main hoop, fit the main hoop in there, and we'll get to working on the rear section of this roll cage. Put all the nuts and bolts back where you got them from, that way you don't lose them. We're gonna clean this carpet, but we're gonna do it on a different video. At this point, the carpet's ready to come out, so we're gonna pull that thing out, and we're gonna just toss the roll cage in right now, I guess, and see where we need to go. We have the pieces. I went to J Milano's in Stockton and grab the DOM tubing for the roll cage. So let's go ahead and pull this carpet out. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to conclude this vlog. We got a lot of things done today. We got the speaker wire pulled, we got the interior gutted, and we got the main hoop welded. So in the next vlog, we'll go ahead and get that main hoop installed. This is Delvin with Diverse Forward Research, is Built to Drive Media, signing out. Peace. See you guys soon.